Good day! So before work, I'm just sorting out this quick release for my water. So yeah, let me switch around and show you what I'm doing. So what I have is my cap, my lid, cut an hole in that. Got one of these. This goes to a 15mm pipe, and that's just to convert it so that will fit on there and screw in. I've got two washer packs, whatever they're called, to pack it out. Already put one in there, so that's that side. I've done it so the hole's just tight enough so I can screw that through my lid, put that packer on the top, screw that down and top tight, and hopefully it will water seal my cap. So yeah, let's get it together. So just try and get this camera set up. So like I say, I've already put the packing washer already in that side. I've cut it out so it sits in there. So all I want to do now is spread that in there. Got a socket. Yeah, so like I say, I've done that hole just tight enough so I can thread this through. So that's tight in there now. Just wiggle tight at the bottom. Then I want to put a packing washer in the top. Like that. Then screw this on top of there. Make sure that's nice and tight. There we go, that's nice and tight there. That's for the quick release on the top of my cap. So all I did is I took that in there for the hose. This is a garden hose quick release connection. I took that into a plumbing shop. Well, I did go to a couple of big brand places, and it's like, oh, we can't do that. Well, I don't know why to do that. I walked into a little plumbing shop and turned around and told him what I need. I said, this is what I got, and this is what I want at the end. And he just went round the back. He went, there's a couple of secs. He went round the back, got me one of these. I just said it needs to fit on a 15mm copper pipe, and it needs to fit on that. And I want it to go in. Oh, I want a lid in between it. It's for a container to make it a quick release. Within 30-40 seconds, he come back with that, two washer packs, and went, there you go, that will do you. So yeah, I tell you, these little plumbing shops are the best, I think. Especially the guys what I've been doing it years and got a clue, and don't expect everything to be done properly. So yeah, there we go. That's a quick release on there. All I've got to do now is cut the pipe from a container. They're passing it onto there. Right, error straight away. Make sure you connect your fucking pipe on that first, because trying to get this tight in that cap is a nightmare. So yeah, connect your pipe on there first, then put it on your lid. I'll screw that back in. That's nice tight on there. Then your pack washer, then your cap, or your quick release, and tighten it all down. So the next thing I need to do is I need to measure copper pipe to my bottle and cut the pipe. I don't want it touching the bottom, I want it just off the bottom of the pipe. So if there is any crap at the bottom, if any crap does get in that bottle, I'm not dragging the crap up from the bottom. So yeah, I want it at least about, I say about an inch, half inch off the bottom of the pipe. So I'll measure that in there and cut it. So there we go. That's my quick release container done. Copper pipe, I've cut it. I'm going to give it a good clean up and that. And there's the end. I'll go in there, screw down, like that. I don't know if you can see that. The copper pipe comes to about here. So yeah, that's an inch from the bottom. So, like I said, that's just a nose connector. The other side of the nose connector will connect to the pipe what goes to my pump. So it's just quick release, so I can just quick release the pump straight from it. Go fill the container up, I can just undo this. Or I can just put a connector onto a nose pipe, what will connect on this and connect onto my tap to fill it up. So it saves me taking it out of the van as well. So yeah, so the only reason I've done this, just so I can quick take it out, disconnect it, take the container out and fill it up, or connect a nose on it to fill it up inside the van. So yeah, there we go. There's that. So all I've done, got a bit of sandpaper, sanded that down, just to make sure it's nice and clean. Gone with some hot soapy water, cleaned all of that, connected the hose, so I clean all inside that. Filed that end down as well. So yeah, gave it all a nice good clean up, make sure it's nice and clean. Just cleaned out the container, I know it's new but I still cleaned it out. So yeah, all it is now, connect that in there and screw it on. So yeah, that's how I made my quick release water container. We'll show you the other end of the pump where it just connects on, but it's just like a nose, just connects on. So yeah, there we go. That's that sorted. So there we go. Dead simple, dead easy when you know the parts you need. Like I said, I just went into a plumbing shop. £2.60 it cost me just for that connection and the two packing washers. Then your hose connector as well. What I think was like £4. I think that cost the most. Crazy prices. But yeah, it's going to make my life so much easier when I want to fill it up with water and that. So it's done. So I'm going to leave it there for today. Catch you next time. Stay safe.